Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Laila Faiza and I will be presenting the topic of the relationship between technology acceptance and behavioral intention among office staff in Sakofa. Here are the background of the study where behavioral intention is defined as a person's perceived likelihood or subjective probability that he or she will engage in given behavior by agent. The next one is UTALT model, where this model formulated by Venkatesh, Morris, Davis and Davis in user acceptance of information technology towards unified view. There are 4 factors in this UTALT model, which is performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social influence, and facilitating conditions. One variable has been added, which is trust. Here are the research objective and the questions, where the objective is to ascertain the relationship between technology acceptance and behavioral intention among office staff at Sakofa in Kuching, Sarawak. And the questions here is to identify the relationship among the factors within the UTALT model, including the added variables just now, which is trust, with behavioral intention among office staff at Sakofa in Kuching, Sarawak. Here are the literature review, where all of the factors here, including the added one, which is trust, shows a positive finding, except for social influence, that is positive and negative results has been identified. For your information, the conceptual framework and the questionnaire has been adapted from the study by Sharma, Al-Badi, Rana, and Al-Azizi. Here are the data collection procedures, beginning with the designing questionnaire until the data analysis. Next, we will be proceeding on respondents analysis. First is response rate, where the questionnaire has been distributed through hard copy and through online form, which is through Google Form, and the number of questionnaire written and usable is 104. That shows a response rate is 100%. For the demographic data, the majority are female, aged 20 to 30 years old, single, earn degree as their highest educational level, and are among support staff. For the normality test, Palan suggested that the data is normal if the value is within the negative 0.2 to 0.2. But as you can see here, 3 factors, which is PE, EE, and FC, are not within the range. So other ways for us to identify the data is normal is by looking at the normal QQ plot and the box plot. Through normal QQ plot, if the line is reasonably straight, it shows a normal distribution of data. And as for the box plot, if the line is within the box, it shows a normal distribution of data as well. Next is descriptive analysis, where the level of agreement was measured based on best principles Toprom 2004. There are 3 levels, which is low to high, and according to this scale, the respondents highly agreed that technology acceptance has impact on behavioral intention, and it shows the same result for all 4 factors within the UTALT model, where they highly agreed all of these factors having impact on the behavioral intention, but not for the added variable, which is trust, where the respondents moderately agreed that this variable has impact on behavioral intention. Next is reliability test, where we want to ensure that the item is considered reliable, where the Chromebox alpha value is 0.7 and above. And as you can see here, all of the value is above 0.7, showing that all of the items are measuring the technology acceptance, ensuring that the respondents having a clear picture on what they are answering in the questionnaire. As for the correlation result, I will be explaining further in order to answer the research questions and providing details for the discussion as well. For the performance expectancy, it shows a positive, moderate, and significant relationship towards behavioral intention. The higher the performance, where they manage to maintain their reputation by completion of tasks given, as the technology has eased their workload, the higher the behavioral intention, as they were aware on using technology to complete their tasks that save more time and cost. As for the performance expectancy here, it also shows a positive, moderate, and significant result, where they are having a moderate level of interaction with the system and technology used in their workplace, and the employees already acquired basic knowledge on the technology use, willing to be sent for training to enhance their ICT skills. This proved that the higher the effort expectancy, the higher the behavioral intention. Next is social influence, that shows a positive, moderate, and significant relationship towards behavioral intention as well. The usage of technology influenced by their colleagues, where all of the communications regarding their works are mainly through emails and other platforms such as WhatsApp, where they will create groups for certain purposes such as creating groups for each department to share any updates on their ongoing project. As for the facilitating condition, they have a positive, moderate, and significant relationship towards behavioral intention, where the employees have the necessary resources to use the technology, where they have been provided with laptops and wireless connection, and they were also a group of expertise from the IT department that will assist them if they are having a problem regarding on the technology use. Last but not least is trust, where it shows a positive, moderate, significant relationship towards behavioral intention. They believe that the transaction using system were much safer compared with dealing with a lot of paperwork. The administrator from the compliance department itself completed the travel warrant for her colleagues and the online transaction where all of the claims were done online without having to withdrawing a huge amount of money. This result here answering all of the research questions where all of the variables, including the added one, shows a significant result towards behavioral intention. As for the conclusion, it provides comprehensive understanding about the critical factors, and all of the factors, including the added one which is trust, have positively influenced behavioral intention, and it strongly influenced the decision to use technology. As for the recommendation, they should be able to have clear communication between both parties in order to help smooth the operation in the organization, and they should ensure that all of them stay motivated to continue to add on their skills, especially on ICT, and they should be able to provide a user-friendly and high-end technology. That's all from me. Thank you.